In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable cover to mode on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether the 41mm or 45mm GPS or GPS plus cellular, you can easily cover your Apple Watch screen just like this to mute an incoming call. So here, I'm going to show you how to disable this feature so that when you try to cover your Apple Watch screen, the incoming call will not be muted. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to disable or turn off cover to mode on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is press the digital crown once to go to the house screen. On the house screen, click on settings, then scroll down until you get to gesture, click on it. Once you click on gesture, then you should see cover to mode, then disable this. When this is on and you are receiving an alert, you can mute Apple Watch by resting your palm on the display to cover it for at least 3 seconds. So all you just need to do is this, just cover the Apple Watch screen for like 3 seconds, and after that, this is going to mute either the incoming call or notification on Apple Watch Series. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.